Alright, so in this video I will show you a lot. The final output will be Fireplace, but I'm gonna show you how to use physics, how to make low-poly randomize stones. So let's begin. I'm gonna use with cube. So first let's go to edit mode and subdivide several times. Alright, also in preference you can find cell fracture add-on. We need it, so enable it, and if you want to find it, press F3 button on the keyboard and type cell fracture. There are some options, but for this tutorial I only use noise option. Let's increase the level up to 1 and click OK button on the tab. As you can see, the cube is divided, so we don't need it, the original one. Let's delete it. X on the keyboard. And right now, actually we have stones, low-poly stones, but if you want to make Fireplace, this not so quick procedure to grab and move it manually. So there is an option, a choice that we can use physics. So select all stones and go to physics properties and enable rigid body, type active, and also friction. Let's up it, resistance of object to movement. Alright, and also we need to copy these settings to all stones, so rigid body, and copy from active. Now if I press space button, as you can see, this object is active, but we need ground or something like plane, GZ, to move it. And also we need to enable rigid body for plane, rigid body, but for this situation you should choose passive one. Right now if I press space button, okay, let's decrease a little bit frames, space again, please wait. As you can see, cube dropped down and all parts, all stones are separated. And right now, if I want to make Fireplace, I can just delete some stones and manually just move some parts and make round Fireplace. But first we need to delete physics simulations, because it won't work with physics simulations. I can't handle this scene manually. So how we can do physics simulation and just keep the final output? Let's try to hide the plane and let's select all stones which you want. Go to object, rigid body, and apply transformation, object, rigid body, and remove simulation. And let's get back the plane. Right now, if I press space button, actually nothing happens, only some parts which I didn't select. These parts are active. Also, we can do the same for these parts. So rigid body, apply transformation, rigid body, remove simulation. Let's press space button on the keyboard. Right, so right now scene is static, and we can actually delete some bones, some stones, and make round fireplace. That's much easier, and then original method to move stones manually. Alright, also can scale some parts, some stones. Alright, and right now if you want to color these stones, there is a method, the original one, like that, just put it. But I want to randomize color of these stones, so let's add object info and also color ramp. Alright, let's do it like that. Random to FAC and color to base color. Alright, if I add some few more cuts there and change color, actually I can randomize color of these stones. Thank you for watching and see you next time.